How can I allow guests on my Moodle? If you want some courses on your Moodle site to be visible to non-logged-in users, that is guests, then you need to enable guest access on the site as an administrator and then enable it in the courses that you want guests to access. This video explains the admin settings for guest access. Watch our video on how guests can access my courses for the course settings. As administrator, from Site Administration, go to Plugins, Enrolment Plugins and Manage Enrol Plugins. Make sure that Guest Access has its eye opened so that it is available in your courses. To show a guest login button on your front page, go to Plugins, Authentication, Manage Authentication and set the guest login button to show. You can allow guests to access a course directly without clicking this button if you enable what Moodle calls Auto Login Guests. And to do this, go to Users, Permissions, User Policies and tick the Auto Login Guests box. Now your site is set up for guests to access, and now is the time to go and set up guest access in your courses. To summarise, to allow guests into your Moodle, you need to enable guest access for the site and for the courses. You can add a login as guest button and can enable auto login guests.